Now, who is there to volunteer to speak at the papers? Who is coming next? Yes. Professor, respected Professor Dr. Zarina Rahman Khan.
Thank you very much for giving me this opportunity. I'm not sure I'll be able to limit myself to the 3 minutes, but I'll try to make it brief. Actually, I was hoping that some women in this room, including our very newly promoted women professors, would have put up their hands and come forward and spoken. Because it is now their chance. We have been talking, we have been teaching, lecturing, talking, working outside the department, not only for promoting public administration and trying to contribute to better governance through whatever we know in public administration, but we have also been very proudly, I'm proud to state, that trying to promote the issue of gender in public administration. It's not a complaint, but since yesterday's program and today's program, we haven't seen too many women on stage. And today's whole seminar is bereft of women. And actually that is what has prompted me to come up. But I was looking behind me to see if any of my women colleagues or any of my students who are very respected professionals outside the department, making a very good name, not only for themselves, but for their profession and also for the country, would have come forward. But thanks anyways for giving me the opportunity. And I also thank, let me start by thanking all the presenters of the 3 papers, including the writers of the papers who had not presented. I think given the very short period of time that was allowed to write the papers, they have done a very good job. This is how public administration is represented not only in our country but the world over. When there's a job, we do it and we do it very well. And it is a meaningful job that we do. Thank you very much all the paper writers and the presenters. And I also take this opportunity to thank my colleague Firoz and also alumni Mesbah for making the very valuable contributions that can go into the the finalization of the papers if they want to take it forward and actually it can already be taught in the papers can be used for teaching material in any course, but at the same time, if these comments are taken into consideration, I think it would be enriched and it would help others better. Yes, my other comment is that I also had hoped that one of the papers in the souvenir would have been focused on gender. We know that women from the Department of Public Administration, Dhaka University, is in jobs which are traditionally labeled as male jobs, including the police service, including taxation, including all the cadres of public administration in Bangladesh. And I'm not sure, but I hope they're also in the foreign service. So it would have been very appropriate to have a paper on the gender issue or how women in public administration challenges, how are they coping with the challenges. That would have been very good to enlighten the coming generation of women who would take up the challenges of being in practical public administration at home and abroad, and also in the private sector. I don't think I have any specific comments on the papers. So I just felt compelled to come up and point this out because I feel that unless women point out this missing clock, as we call it, in the whole picture, often we do not see it. So thank you very much for giving me this opportunity. I hope the organizers and the Department of Public Administration, of course I belong to the Department of Public Administration. Maybe it's a little bit of my fault that I had not been too proactive in the organization of this seminar to be able to bring in, point out this gap. But I thank all of you, and I urge my women colleagues, female colleagues, and the women alumni to come forward and present their work and activities to the department and to the world. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Professor Dr. Zarina Rahman Khan.
একটা মিনিট নিব আমি। এটা হলো গতকাল আমি চেয়ারম্যান মহোদয়ের সঙ্গে এটা শেয়ার করছিলাম। গতকাল আমাদের এক সার্ভিস কলিগ আমাকে একটা মেল করেছেন রাত্রিবেলা যে আপনারা 40 বছর পূর্তি পালন করছেন লোক প্রশাসন বিভাগে, তাতে একাডেমিক কোনো কিছু প্রোগ্রাম আপনারা রাখেন নাই। সম্ভবত গতকালের প্রোগ্রাম জেনে এসে এটা মেল করেছিল আমাকে। তো আমি তাকে ইনভাইট করেছিলাম আজকে সকালে সে আসছে কিনা আমি জানি না, আমার সঙ্গে দেখা হয় নাই। আমি আজকে এই সেমিনার কথা তাকে উল্লেখ করেছিলাম যে আমরা এই 40 বছর পূর্তি উপলক্ষে আমরা একটা সেমিনারের আয়োজন করি যেখানে 3টা পেপার প্রেজেন্ট করা হবে। এবং এখানে বিশেষ করে প্রফেসর জহিরুর রহমান খান যেটা বলেছেন সেটা নিঃসন্দেহে একটা গুরুত্বপূর্ণ বিষয়। আমি দুপার পক্ষে আমাদের চেয়ারম্যান সভাপতির সঙ্গে আমরা কথা বলবো। আমি চেয়ারম্যান মহোদয়ের সঙ্গে আলাপ করছিলাম যে আমরা বিভাগের উদ্যোগে যদি কোনো এই ধরনের বিশেষ একাডেমিক আন্তর্জাতিক সেমিনার বা এই ধরনের কিছু আয়োজন করা হয়, আমরা অ্যালুমনিদের পক্ষ থেকে আমরা চেষ্টা করবো সহযোগিতা করতে, যাতে এটা সুন্দরভাবে এটা করা যায়। এটা আমাদের যে একাডেমিক যে অ্যাচিভমেন্ট যেটা অফ দিস ডিপার্টমেন্ট, যেটা ফিরোজ স্যারও বলছিলেন অনেকগুলো বিষয়, যেটা যে চেঞ্জেস ইন দ্য কারিকুলাম এন্ড আদার ইস্যুস, অনেক বিষয় আসতে পারে এর মধ্যে। এতে যেটা হবে যে বর্তমান যারা পড়াশোনা করছেন এই বিভাগে তারা উৎসাহিত হবে এবং একাডেমিক পার্সুট যেটা ফ্রম দিস ডিপার্টমেন্ট হচ্ছে সেটাও আরও ফোকাসড হবে। ধন্যবাদ।
Opinion. And now, ladies and gentlemen, we're running out of time. May I now request on behalf of all the chair of today's seminar, and chairman of the department, and the main initiator of the whole affairs, very dynamic, our respected teacher, Professor Dr. Musliuddin Ahmed, to wrap up the session.
Honorable writers of this paper, of 3 papers, presenters, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen. I'm very much honored to having with us for sharing some aspects of 3 presenters' presentation of 2 days, 3 paper, special focus on public administration in academic discipline, civil service, and leadership in industry and commerce. Very well written, but maybe it would have been better written if we could provide them much more time. Only we have given 10 days to 12 days time for writing this paper. But they have written it very nicely, very excellent deliberation by the presenters. I'm also giving them thanks because, you know, those contributors, they have written this paper, but those, our 2 distinguished colleagues, Professor Akhtar Hussain and Professor Mubashir Monem, they have presented it. They first read it, digest it, and then presented it to the audience. So I must give them thanks better than the contributors. Thank you. After this presentation, 3 observation has come. We have also, I am also one of the admirer of Kautilya. He is the Chanakya and Kautilya and Confucius, because from our eastern side they have first given idea of good governance. Now World Bank after 1987 has initiated and now practiced in many countries of Asia and Africa. But who was main exponent of good governance? This is Kautilya. His name, another name is Chanakya. And the efficiency part, Professor Firuz Ahmed has said, politicization of civil service, and mainly because of the loyalty. And also, can I give you some idea regarding the quote Confucius? He has given, without efficiency, there is no better administration. If we could get in a proper efficiency bar and practicing of efficiency and performance in civil service without having politicization, then we should go Civil Service Act, which was written in the 1972 Constitution, and it was there mentioned that Bangladesh must have a Civil Service Act, but after even 41 years, it is still in a dark room. In the dark room, every government has come to power. They wanted to make it, they wanted to frame it, but not yet. I hope this government may come with this before their departure, or another government, next government will come and take initiative to be the public. Okay, another one I would like to say, because our food is already become cold, so I would not like to take much more time. Another very important issue, we have modernized our syllabus. We have many meetings to modernize it. We have included administrative law and ethics, banking and financial sectors management, change management, new public management, and other issues. Good governance is also with us. But we have taken initiative to include some professional people. We have taken initiative, some professional people who are in the civil service, in the business and in other sectors. They could come and join in the department as a part-time distinguished lecturer to give their lecture. We have become successful after inviting so many. I am also looking forward to include many of our civil servants to come in the department and give lecture. Now, what public administration alumni are, they are in the Westminster type government. Which ministry or which office is very important? That is the Prime Minister's Secretariat. You must know, and you would be happy to know that in our Prime Minister's office, there are out of 2 topmost secretaries, principal secretaries to the Honorable Prime Minister, secretary to the Honorable Prime Minister is from public administration. Out of 2 PS1 is from public administration. Who has come in the morning? He is a busy time, so I had requested him to stay and give some comments on this paper, but he has already asked to go to the Prime Minister office, so that he didn't provide us time. In the cultural sector or in the sports sector, public administration men are there as heading the Bangladesh Cricket Control Board chairman. In the parliament, in the treasury bench or in the opposition, there are public administration MPs, both in the treasury bench and in the opposition. In the Upazila chairman, vice chairman, in other sectors, there are public administration. In the foreign ministry, yes. In the foreign ministry, there is a director general, public administration. In the civil service administration, in taxation, in customs, and many other sectors. I have already asked to cut short my speech. Otherwise, I could give you a very long list. So, there are public administration. This is public administration. That is our achievement. Mr. Jalal has already given us a scope to organize a national or international seminar. We'll do it within this year or within 1 year time, and maybe there will be more focus on public administration, alumni, and other sectors. So I would not like to break your patience. May I conclude with these few words that all public administration, teachers, students, alumni, and others from different sectors, they have given us uninterrupted support for organizing this particular 40-year celebration. We are very much thankful, grateful, and honored for their efforts. Thank you very much. Thank you for joining with us and having lunch together now, and enjoy our culture program by our current students. Thank you.
Thank you very much, all of you. Our best regards to all of you for being with us. Let's move towards the lunch. Thank you very much. Here we adjourn the seminar.
আদিবা, শিফা, জিম এবং সাগরকে এত সুন্দর একটি দেশাত্মবোধক গান শোনানো হলো। আসসালামু আলাইকুম। সম্মানিত শিক্ষকবৃন্দ, লোকরসায়ন বিভাগের প্রাক্তন আপু এবং ভাইয়েরা এবং বর্তমান শিক্ষার্থীরা, সবাইকে আমন্ত্রণ জানাচ্ছি পাবলিক অ্যাডমিনিস্ট্রেশন ডে 2013 এর কালচারাল পার্টি। আপনাদের সাথে আছি আমি নিহাল তারানু, 5th সেমিস্টার।
আমি নওরিন নুইরি, মাস্টার্স ফাইনাল। দেশপ্রেম থেকে প্রথমেই যে কথাটি আমার মাথায় এসেছে সেটা হলো ডিপার্টমেন্ট প্রেম। ঢাকা ভার্সিটিতে যারা কখনো পড়েনি তারা কখনোই বুঝবে না যে একটা জায়গা, একটা ছোট ক্যাম্পাস, কিছু মানুষ কিভাবে একটা মানুষের পুরো জীবনের সাথে মিশে যেতে পারে, ঠিক না? তাই কি?
তার সব থেকে বড় প্রমাণ আমাদের সামনে বসা আপু এবং ভাইয়ারা। টিভিতে দেওয়া ডিপার্টমেন্ট থেকে দেওয়া এক ছোট্ট একটি ঘোষণা দেখে আপু এবং ভাইয়ারা আজকে এই মিলন মেলায় একত্রিত হয়েছে। এর মধ্যে অনেকেই ঢাকার বাইরে থাকেন, অনেকেই আবার অনেক কাজে বিজি থাকেন। বাট আজকে সবাই সব কাজ ভুলে এই মিলন মেলায় সম্মিলিত হয়েছে। সবাইকে এর জন্য অনেক অনেক ধন্যবাদ।
থ্যাংক ইউ সবাইকে। আপনারা না আসলে আমাদের ওই কষ্টটা সার্থক হতো না। এখন কালচারাল পার্টে প্রথমেই থাকছে আমাদের বর্তমান শিক্ষার্থীদের মধ্যে সবচেয়ে জনপ্রিয় গায়ক আবির মাস্টার্সে। সে এখন আমাদের সময়কার সবচেয়ে জনপ্রিয় গানটি তুমি আমার গানটি গাবে।
আবির ভাইয়ের একটি বিশেষণ আছে, আর সেটি হলো বিরহ গান স্পেশাল। কারণ গত 2 বছর ধরে ভাইয়া বিরহের গানই গেয়ে যাচ্ছে, এবারও তার ব্যতিক্রম হচ্ছে না।
এবার আমন্ত্রণ জানাচ্ছি আমাদের আবিরকে।
তোমায়